Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TAHO. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. Think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Not only was today a very nice movement from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support and then talk levels of resistance. First area of support to keep an eye on going forward, and this is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if this level right here at $4.70 can hold. Now, you can see right here several times the bears did try to push down below it, and the bulls have been doing a great job of holding. However, I don't want to come across like that's a must-hold level where if the price falls below it, then the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because that's not the case. Now, if the price can continue to hold like it's been, that would certainly be a massive sign of power, but by no means is it a must-hold level or anything like that. Next level of support after that would be down here at, I'm going to call it $4.40. So $4.70, $4.40, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from a big picture perspective, that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very basic perspective, and assuming you care about more so a broader scope of things, if you're saying, look, Clay, how do I gauge the health of the move? This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch the purple line. As that purple line moves itself higher and higher, as long as the price stays above it, then the bulls are in full health, the price movement's in full control, however you can best visualize that, but that's what the purple line is going to represent. Again, yeah, if the price could stay above 470, that would be great, but as long as the price stays above that purple line from the grand scheme of it all, then the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where's some of these next key battlegrounds at? Next key overall area, and this is coming from way back when, so I realize the chart is hard to see now, but this is a good problem to have. But that's up here right around $4.85, which is back here from late January. So this will be the next key level. All in all, though, top priority right now, in my opinion, is at least is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance, but more so just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases. So focus on higher bases and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.